Greetings, fellow explorers of the digital frontier. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the shadows of the internet, unraveling the mysteries of dark web hackers. If you're as captivated by the unseen corners of the web as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for this deep dive. As we step into the darkness, it's crucial to understand the anatomy of the dark web. Imagine it as a parallel universe online, operating with a level of anonymity that sets it apart from the familiar world of the surface web. Tools like Tor, originally designed for privacy, become gateways to this clandestine space. Now, let's navigate the intricate web of dark web hacking activities. Cybercrime forums act as digital marketplaces for hackers to exchange techniques and trade stolen data. Illicit marketplaces, reminiscent of a twisted Amazon, offer everything from hacking tools to personal information. The dark web becomes a breeding ground for a wide spectrum of illicit activities. Diving into the pages of history, we encounter the infamous Silk Road. Launched by Ross Ulbricht, this dark web marketplace was a pioneer in anonymous transactions, predominantly in the world of illegal drugs. Ulbricht's vision of an unregulated digital marketplace, however, collided with law enforcement, leading to the eventual shutdown of Silk Road and Ulbricht's incarceration. This landmark case serves as a stark reminder of the tangible consequences in the dark web's game of shadows. As we navigate this digital minefield, understanding the risks becomes paramount. Engaging in dark web activities not only exposes individuals to legal repercussions but also opens the floodgates to potential personal and financial disasters. It's a dark trade-off that can leave lasting scars on the lives of those involved. Now, let's arm ourselves against the lurking dangers of the digital abyss. From the basics of strong, unique passwords to employing virtual private networks, VPNs, and keeping software up to date, these security measures act as a shield against potential cyber threats. Consider this your survival guide in the digital wilderness. But amidst the shadows, a glimmer of light emerges in the form of ethical hacking. These digital knights use their skills not for malevolence, but to strengthen the cyber defenses of individuals and organizations. It's a fascinating twist to the dark web narrative, showcasing the potential for positive impact in the world of hacking. As we conclude our expedition into the enigmatic world of dark web hackers, remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and navigate the digital landscape responsibly. If you've enjoyed this odyssey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Until next time, this is Dark, signing off from the ever-evolving world of technology.